And what's going on, guys? What's up, people? David. Hello. Gilmore. Yo. All right, Gary. Yo. Nicole. Nicole's here. Good evening. Gerardo. What's up? Gaetano. Nettie. Everyone. Man, these evening streams get a lot of traction, huh? I guess when I come up on the morning, you guys are like, I gotta trade. I gotta trade. Fuck Gabe. Not gonna pay attention to him. Then you lose your ass. Sorry. Anyways, what's up, man? Mm. All right. So I am trading. Fernando, what's going on? Patel, what's going on? What's up, everyone? So what I want to do is I really want to get into the nuances of the system. There seems to be a lot of confusion. Why did I get an alert? The price action broke below the 200. Let's talk about this. All right. Are we gonna fly close to the sun tonight? Maybe. I mean, I am up over $9,000 right now. So, I mean, I'm trying to get there, y'all. I'm trying to get there. Trying to get to the moon. Anyways, uh, I'll explain this trade. Obviously, I think you guys can figure this out. Where I literally entered from a gray to green candle here. Okay, we're going to talk about this. We're going to talk about the system. We're going to talk about how you can make it work. All right. Uh, oh no, it is coffee in a cup. It is coffee in a cup. It really is coffee in a cup. Rex admitted and is killing it. Good. That's what we want to see. Sup, programmer. This is coffee, guys. So you all know that I quit smoking cold turkey about 2 months ago, right? So the journey doesn't end there. Apparently, I like torture, and the market doesn't torture me enough. So what I've decided to do is embark on a 30-day water only fast. I'm going on this broacher journey, man. We're gonna see what's up. We're gonna see how I come out of it. Hopefully, I don't end up looking like olive oil. No, we'll see. We'll see how that works. All right, but yeah, that's what we're doing now. Okay, so here we go. Just chilling here after hours. I'm just gonna go ahead and realize these profits. How big is the screen behind me? It's pretty big. I believe it's like 7 feet. Your big barrel. What's up? What's up? All right, so let's talk about this. I'm gonna close my position here. Done. Position closed. All right. Done. All right. Made some money here. I'm okay with that. I'm happy. Get to pay bills, right? So what you guys see here is the 100 EMA. This is the 200 EMA, and we're gonna zoom out. Okay, we're gonna zoom out, and you know, for those of you who are wondering, like, okay, well, by the way, this is NQ. I trade NQ. And for those of you who are wondering, like, why I have the 100, it's actually there for you. Okay, it's for you, so you can see there's two EMAs here, right? Undoubtedly trending down, right? So we knew by virtue of the 100 being below the 200, we were in a downtrend day, right? That's secret number one. You have to know your trend. You have to be biased to the trend. That's secret number one. Know the trend. If the trend is down and you're trying to go up, I mean, you're going against the trend. That's kind of like driving on the wrong side of traffic. Bad things happen. Okay? So, this is something you guys can do each and every morning. Make that attempt to identify that trend. Okay? We see an instance here, day before, where, yes, the 100 was below the 200 here, but you could see running perfectly in tandem, a whole lot of chop, right? Not much opportunity. We could see here, once again, market opens. We have our system that's already, giving us insight, right? But if you just need that extra surety, right? You need that insurance policy. Go ahead and take a look at the larger EMAs, the 200 and the 100. The 100 crossed below, and we knew we were trending down. Here we could see pretty freaking flat, right? Not a lot going on here. Okay. Um, Here, somewhat bullish, right? The 100 is above the 200 EMA, and that's courtesy of this move here, right? Of course, flat. You can see the EMAs are very flat. And so, what are we doing here? We're establishing trend so that we are not intimidated by candles, okay? Everything is an average. Everything is about averages, right? It's not about candles. You know, if you really think about it, your whole day can be wrecked by a 5-minute candle that went against you. But then when you look at the 4-hour candle, you're just like, oh my god, if I would have just held, if I would have just held, right? We put too much weight on a 5-hour candle. We need to focus on the trend and trade designs, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the 100 EMA off. And we're just going to focus on the 200. There were a lot of questions today. Why wasn't I getting an alert? And the reason why you were getting an alert was because I was protecting you from yourself, dumbass. Okay, so this is what's happening here. Okay, we're below the 200. We're below the 200. Cool. Right? We're looking for these signals. These signals here. Of course, we're on NQ. We're looking for these signals. What this means is, okay, we go short, but of course, we have to be mindful. We have to be mindful. Guys, if you look at the charts I give you, you have a level right there. I know I'm going to highlight it, you know, for those who really can't see it on the stream. But when it's on your chart, you have the level. So you have a target, you have an expectation, and or you have an extra layer that you add to your thesis, right? That extra layer is really simple. If we break the level, then I will go short and then protect my entry at the level. If I get stopped out, I get stopped out. Guys, this is a game of getting stopped out. Gerald Wong, how you doing? It's a game of getting stopped out. It's a game of getting stopped out for the least amount of loss, right? And so if you were going to take that entry there, consider that you had that level. Then we gave it to you again. And same thesis, right? Down, we got a level, breaks through. Protect your entry, of course. Maybe take profit. This is where it said, all right, here, might have stopped you out. This is the 4th try. Yeah, they're gold. These levels are gold. So here finally we get a break and a go, okay? Now, I want you guys to really look at this chart here. Was there at any point that anyone should have believed we were bullish? No. We had gray candles of nothing. Okay? They were gray candles of nothing, so therefore we were not bullish. And that is the beauty of having the 200 filter. We're not going to tell you to go bull if we're still below the 200. Now, if price action, or if the origin of the move starts up here, but ends up going bearish down here, you're not going to get signaled this play, nor are you going to get signaled on the break of the 200. Now, maybe that's something Hot Potato can do. Maybe make it dynamic. I don't know. Look at guys, that man has worked enough, so let's not overwork the man. But maybe that is a possibility. Again, I don't know. He's our engineer, guys. I think he tries to put it together. Okay? So, Mr. Brosov says, I see that now. I'm glad you see that now. Our job is to keep you composed as traders. Keep you composed as traders. That's my job. When I give you guys a system, it's not supposed to be complex. It's not supposed to tug at your emotions. It's not to make you a simp of the candle or a simp in the market or have you sitting there like everybody else on social media, like it's gonna go up, it's gonna go up. No, dumbass, it's not. Right? We give it to you right there. We're short. We're not bullish. Dumbass. I'm just going to keep saying that, okay? Now, this is NQ. Now, I want to show you what this looks like because I want to show you guys something. Yeah, Steven, I tried. But I want to show you guys something. So we go to ES. Obviously, ES was a different setup and a different play. Um, Here, this was actually marked. This was something I was thinking about as this candle finally broke through. So hot potato, I don't know if you're watching, if that's even a doable thing, right? Make that, the 200 a condition, right? However, the only reason why we don't alert at the 200 is because we don't want to get in the habit of initiating a trade at or around the 200. Okay, I don't want to do that. For whatever reason, I found that a lot of traders, even though, like, hey, we're trading the break of the 200, etc., they still end up holding too long. Yeah, you might end up getting hold up in chop, right? Caught up in chop. They still end up holding too long, or they anticipate the break of the 200, and then it bounces on them. And then they're like, Gamer, I never should have done that. Like, then why'd you do it? Why'd you put your finger in there? Huh? Why'd you put your finger in there? You don't need to put your finger in there. Mm. Okay. So, we want to look at this objectively. Now, if we got this play here, this play with the S, you should have made bank. I mean, this was go time. Once it broke the 200, got the candle closed, you have a level here. I mean, how many points are we giving you? How many points? That's 15 points. One contract made you, what, $750? I did my job. I did my job. The system did its job. The system did its job, right? So we have to be careful. We have to be careful not to sit there and demand more of the system and or the market. If you managed to get in here, made some money, used a level, protected your entry, ran this up, maybe trailed your stop, took profit, you're good. Maybe you're done. Maybe one ES contract, you're done. Maybe that was two ES contracts. Maybe that was $1,500. Maybe that was three ES contracts, and maybe you only went 10 points, right? You still made bank. You still made bank. You still made a lot of money. Okay, so next up, knowing the system, right? Knowing the system, this is the break, but we also know that the general trend is down. So of course, yeah, the general trend is down. We are still biased to the plays down, right? We're biased to it. Let's go ahead and turn on the 100 here. Ah, you know, this one was a little tricky, right? This one, little tricky, right? Bullish. It doesn't go bearish till the end of the day, of which it dies. It just fucking dies, right? Whoever was just sitting there for that play and just took that death, congratulations, you made bank. Okay. Um, so let's go ahead and hide this here. So what I want you guys to do is create your alerts. I want you to create alerts. There's no reason why you should be sitting in front of the chart all day waiting for something to happen. No reason. None. You get an alert, you come back to your computer, you take a look. Are we above the 200? Do we have multiple confluences? Great, I'll take the trade. Right? Are we below the 200? Multiple confluences? Great, I'll take the trade. So many of you are just getting wrecked because you're making trades that aren't there. Right? Now, you can turn off your training wheels and do this. right? You can do this. Turn off your training wheels and do this, right? You would have got chopped here, made money here, probably should have respected the 200 here. You got multiple calls happening here, then a short there. Just a lot going on, right? So you would have to use more discretion as a trader. What we're doing is we're just cleaning up the noise a little more. Come on, appreciate that. We're cleaning up the noise a little more. That's all we're doing. Okay? Someone did mention YM earlier today. Yeah, Gilmore. 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 You hear, bro? Okay. Looks like Gilmore clued everyone in on this play. I'm hoping that Gilmore was paying attention to this. I'm hoping he said, whoa, wait, yeah, we're above the 200. We're bullish. MACD bullish, green candle, broke a level, let's go. I hope that that's how that was broken down. Also, I mean, it's, yeah, 945. It's the 945 candle. Okay. So, yeah, you make money there. You make money there, right? Now, do we take this trade, guys? Right? Do we take this trade here? No. It's against the trend. We're bullish, right? Price action above the 200, right? And so if anyone took this with the expectation of it's reversing, right? Again, if you have the expectation that it's reversing, you're going to insist that it's reversing. You end up taking trades where you shouldn't, and then you end up doing stuff like this. Let me show you. Can I show you guys what some of you fuckers do? Can I show you? Pretty please. Pretty please. Pretty please. Kind of fun. Kind of fun. All right. Sad. What's up? Let me show you guys what you do. Okay. Here's what you do. All right. Yay. Yay. Red. Okay. I'm in. I'm in. Okay. Woohoo. Then you go ahead and you take profit. Right? Take profit somewhere here. You take profit somewhere there. Okay? Like, and you're so fucking happy that you were right. You're so happy that your wife isn't kicking you out the house tonight. You're so fucking happy. And you're like, yeah, that trade worked out. Oh, it's still going. You see that wick right there? That wick seduced the fuck out of you. That wick made you a simp. You then go ahead and re-enter, and then what happens? You give it all back. You give it all back. Oh, that sucks. Oh, that sucks. I see this time and time and time again when I do the one-on-ones and I go through your data, and we could see that you were short, cool, then you went long, it burned you. Oh, it sucks. It just sucks. But that's how a lot of you guys trade, right? I see it all the time. I see it all the time. All the time. You get freaking wrecked here. Just bounces right on you. Oh boy, the chat's quiet. Anyone feeling guilty right now? Chat's way too quiet. Stream's healthy. You guys are way too quiet over there. They're like, no. Yes, it's supposed to make you do less trades. I also look at your trades. I've seen 50 trades, 70 trades, 80 trades. I've seen some wild shit in a day. Sad. Got wrecked last week. Yeah. So, hey, bro. I had to cancel subscription because my credit card is over the limit. However, I love your indicator. Next month I'll come back again. Okay, JP. Reconsider. Never mind. Uh, okay. So maybe you want to take care of your debts, bro. Knock that down. Don't have to come back. Before you think about coming back, just hustle and take care of your debts. Otherwise, you're putting yourself in a vehicle that could hurt you furthermore financially. Okay, I'm just saying. Like, thought about it. I can't do that. Anyways, new chart is sick. It's sick, right? So we're gonna go ahead, leave the 200 EMA filter on, and guys, we can do this. We can do this with
Nvidia.
let's go ahead and check out Nvidia here. Oh my god. Oh my god. That- oh my god. This was. Oh my god. Seriously, guys, what you're seeing here is Nvidia's love letter to 1348. That's what that was. That was Nvidia's love letter. Oh my god. Wow. Wow. Oh my god. Emotional damage, but either way. Okay. So for those who are trading options, right? Let's break this down. You're below the 200. We're below the 200, guys. So what does that mean? Come on, comment section. Let's get fun in here. You're below the 200. What does that mean? Mm-hmm. Bias to puts. Yes. And so what did the system do? It gave you puts. Right? And then, right? Gave you some gray candles. Gray candles don't mean you chase. Gray candles mean you chill. That's what gray candles mean. Gray candles mean you chill. Gray candles mean nothing. Gray candles mean neutral. Gray candles mean pause, grab a coffee, use the bathroom, do whatever. But gray candles mean do nothing, right? And it's a good thing that it tells you do nothing because then it prepares you once again for directional bias. Man, you know what? It's wild, right? Because okay, watch this. Puts, yeah. Someone took that, and they're just like, oh my god, it's bouncing, it's reversing, right? Okay, check this out. Then what they do is they play the break of something. Most people don't even have this, right? But they're playing the balance of something, and they don't know why they're playing the balance, but they're playing the balance of something, right? They go long here, and then Nvidia is like, "Give me back my money, bitch." Happens way too many times. So instead of chasing the candle, just accept that this trade is done. We got some gray area happening here, neutral, nothing's happening, and then we wait for the next signal short. Why? Because we're biased to shorts. We're biased to shorts, right? We're biased to shorts. So, oh, look at this. Patiently waiting, patiently waiting. Boom! Biased to shorts. We got paid here, right? Yeah, we don't want none of this. Just don't look good. Boom! Just died. It biased to shorts. It just biased to shorts. Okay. Let's see. In Japan, my first trade was MNQ at 10 a.m. Eastern. It was below the 200, but broke the 48. Should I not take those? After that trade, I only traded short. Okay, let's. In Japan, asking all the right questions. And let's go ahead and ask questions, guys. I like this. Okay, so MNQ, 10 o'clock. Let's mark this candle right here. Wait, hold on. Uh, you do not take these. And this here, you just don't. Another reason why you don't. Another reason why you don't, right? Leading up to this, still, you have to wait for the break of 200. Oh my god, this is so tight. This is so tight. But I wouldn't. I would stick to my bias, right? We guys, we don't want to get in the habit. We don't want to get in the habit of the candle saying like, "Hey, follow me." That's where you guys get hurt so much. Where you see the candle and the candle's like, "Hey, follow me," and you're like, "Okay, yeah, yeah, I'm gonna follow the candle." And then the candle like dies on you. You're like, "Yo, whoa, wait, yo, bitch, where you go? Where you go? Where you go?" Seriously, right? So we want to make sure that we have a bias. We have a bias to a trend, right? It's just true. We stick to our game plan. Otherwise, you're constantly just like just got robbed. Just got robbed. Okay, so keep your bias under the 200. If you're under the 200, keep your bias to puts right. Is there a reason why Gabe doesn't trade for 15 minutes? Oh, glad you asked. Well, 15 minutes. Market opens. What the fuck you think is happening? Got a bunch of dumbasses, right? Chasing candles. Like, hey, hey, who? Right? He's like, bunch of fucking minions. Wow, no. Wow, no. It's just like, what's going on here? And that's all that's happening. First 15 minutes. You want to let the market, right, form a trend. Show its hand. I don't like rushing into anything. I don't like rushing into anything. Like, uh, somebody got rushed into stuff, and that's why I got kids you can't stand. So here we go. We go ahead and wait for the market to just show itself. Just show itself. Right? The first 15 minutes, you're going to get burned. First 15 minutes, you got buy sell orders that are just like waiting, right? People are betting where the market's going to pivot that morning. Like, it's going to go up, it's going to go down. They're just orders sitting there, right? So, got to be careful with that. Let's see. So, this is M&Q. M&Q was fun. I like M&Q. I like M&Q. Let's get some tickers in here, right? So we could take a look. Yeah, let them screw each other. And Japan, of course. And Japan's reformed though. And Japan used to love NQ. And Japan loved her some big dick. And then she was like, the little one ain't so bad. Still gets the job done, right, Anne? Question regarding entering options bid ask price on 5 minute. Is it advised to enter cheapest price? I hope it gets triggered or continue to adjust bid price. Chase to fill. Please advise. Well, see, man, man. Bruce, you ideally want to play limit, of course. You want to play limit. But with options, it's just moving so fast, right? You're probably going to have to go ahead and look at the options value at a moment in time that you're potentially like targeting. Like for instance, let's do Nvidia here. Right, and this is where options gets tricky, right? Because there's a lot going on. But let's say you want to get in on this play, right? We got some gray candles here. You're waiting for Nvidia to come on down, right? What you can do is look to see what the options contract was worth at 10 o'clock. That's what you can see. You see what it was worth at that point in time, right? In that candle, somewhere there. That way you have an idea of where you're going to go ahead and place your limit order to catch it. Otherwise, you're going to play market. Okay? So you have to be able to know what price is a good price. Historical values are going to help you. Now, if you're playing 0 days to expiration like on a Friday, that's not going to help. That's not going to help. Okay? So I hope that answers your question. You're probably going to end up doing like a market order anyways, right? The game's so fast. It is so fast. You're probably going to do a market order. All right. Let's go ahead and take a look at what do you guys want to look at? I know someone was talking about silver and CL. There's some people who like to. Oh my! Look at that! What a beautiful day for CL. All right, so guys, what do we see here? What do we see here, boys and girls? What do we see here, boys and girls? Besides some fucking hummingbird behind me. I don't even know what that is. But what do we see here? Oh no, is that an insect? Let's take a look here, guys. Oh shit, that is an insect. Oh, he's fucking the shit out of her too. Okay, so we're above the 200. Yes. Right. So you got the signal and you go. Okay? The retrace. Do we go short? No. Everyone knows not to disrespect oil like that. You don't disrespect oil like that, right? Oil is just like, hey, we're going to come out outside. You guys know better than to disrespect oil like that. Right? Yeah. Okay. So, comes on down, gives you the signal, but we're not below the 200. And then here you go. Boom, you're rewarded. Right? Then you're rewarded. Right there. Okay. So, if Trade Design presents, but full confluence doesn't happen until 3-4 candles later, is it still okay to enter? If the thesis has not changed, you have confluence and it broke the entry, yes, you can enter. The trade fundamentally has not changed in 3 to 4 candles. Now, if the trade has pretty much developed, meaning it left you at the train station. It left you. Now, instead of getting it at your entry, you're chasing it down from way past 1.5 to 1. No, you're not taking that trade. You are not taking that trade at all. Okay? So, if you're looking for confluence, ideally you want to get the confluence and somewhere near the entry on the Trade Design. Okay? That's all we're doing. Man, this coffee's delicious. My meal of the day. Oh man, this is gonna be rough. 30 days. Oh, this is gonna be rough. Mm. Um. Yeah, TMR. Yeah, it ran way too far. Absolutely. Tyler, he knows. Tyler knows. I need a cup of that coffee. Let's see. I have traded copper a few times last week. I had a good trade on MCL this morning, catching a rebound. Nice. Can we trade coffee futures? I don't know. Doesn't that coffee make you stay up, dude? Uh, yeah, I'm one of the dudes that need coffee to sleep. James, I'm ready for it. I'm ready for like a million bucks. Let's go ahead and take a look at YM. YM, let's check out Yo Mama. Okay, here we go. That's because that's what YM did today, right? Was like, yo, mama. But anyways, you guys know above the 200 trade design print, done. Print it. Just print it. Okay. Um, how do I deal like with days like this? Honestly, I just try to manage my emotions and just get out of the market green. Guys, if okay, let's talk common sense. Okay, so um, you're driving down the road and there's some blockage. Maybe a tree's down. Maybe a electric line's down. Yeah, you're looking at it like, wait, I could probably carve a path through this, maybe, bobbing and weaving. But it still looks a little tricky. You gonna chance it? No. I hope not. I really hope not. Sometimes, if you feel like the market isn't moving in a way that you feel comfortable, bye. You don't have to trade every day. You don't have to trade every day. Okay? Uh, let's see. Bruce asks, Gabe, do you have notifications for Palantir? Hot potato. Add a Palantir to the options notifications. Now, let's look at. I gotta do it. Okay. Hey, Jimmy, not so bad, right? Not so bad. So this is sort of kind of interesting here. Well, GME went to the shitter anyways, right? But you had this run up here. You could have ran up, okay, whatever. Could have, right? But the easiest, most sensible play was down, right? The trend was in fact down. It was up, but it was down. I mean, if you just sum it up, it was like it gave us an A for asshole. There you go. That's a nice A shape right there. Anyways, GME, I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry about that. Let's go ahead and look at AMC. Oh man. Um. Okay. This AMC right here. This is a great example of what we just talked about, where you're going down the road and then you see like power lines down and trees down, and you're like, but can I? When we look at AMC, that's all I'm saying here. It's like, what the fuck's going on here, right? Can we carve a path safely? Yeah, but it feels like work. So Danny asks, why did that put print on Jimmy when it crossed the 200? Let's talk about it. Let's go ahead and get back here. Okay. This put printed. Why? Because the candle close. Candle close below the 200, which then qualifies this as a put. It closed. Okay, makes sense? It started up here, but that candle closed below the 200. It's different. Just different. All right. Keep that in mind, guys. Keep that in mind. Let's see. Any chickers that were fun today? Check out Spy. Spy is the same as ES. Oh God, Danny. Yes, I know. Here we go. You see here? Candle break. Here, closed. Closed on Spy. On Spy, this candle closed above the 200. closed, okay? Right. You're asking about the put. This one. Okay. This put. Let's talk about this one here, right? This put started here. It started here. But it closed above the 200. You see? Right here? Let's go ahead. Let me show you. Right there. You see? That candle didn't close. So instead of putting you in a position where you're attacking the 200 and then potentially it bounces against you, we keep you away from it. Make sense? I hope so. It's all about making sure that you trade safe. Degen protection. Yes. Okay. Tyler. BTC USD. Oh boy. BTC USD. Let's take a look see. Do the Coinbase. Did you say on the hour? Oh my god. Okay, yeah. Oh boy, yeah. Alright, guys. So, rules, right? We're below the 200 on the hour. So, therefore, we're biased to the signals down. And my oh my. Ooh, so I got paid a lot. A lot. So I made a lot of money. Okay, so this bounce up. Hey, I personally will wait for this to come up, get to its highest value, and then short it again. Seriously, right? Like, whee, just all the way down. Why can't I draw that? I just, let it come up, and then, whee, just dive with it. For me, it's an easier trade, right? You know why? You know why? You know why, guys? Because you go ahead and you take the trade up, and you take the trade up, and then you're just like sitting there, like a fucking meth addict. Like, do I get out? Should I get out? Is that a level? Do I need to respect the level? Oh my god, do I move my stop up? I gotta move my stop up. Do I add to my position? Maybe I should add to my winner. Yeah, I should add to my winner. Okay, add to my winner. Dollar cost average came up. Now, oh, where do I put my stop? Oh shit. Oh no. Stop. Too close. Get stopped out. Now, you were in that trade for God knows how long, and it was just a pointless trade, right? Because you were going against the trend and you were giving yourself too much to think about. Whereas if we just go with the trade, there's much less to think about. It's your entry. Are we going with the trend? Yes, we're going with the trend. All right, cool. Whatever, man. Trust up. Let's go. I'm going with the trend. But Nick is laughing. I know Nick is laughing out loud because I swear to God, that happens to every single one of you. You're going against the trend? Now, shit get exciting. Oh, your testicles start tingly, your nipples get hard, right? And then it's just like, you get excited, and it's like, what am I doing, right? And it's almost too late because you're already in the trade, right? It's too late. You're already in the trade. You're just like, oh god, this feels like regret. This is gonna smell like regret. Jeez. Anyways, Alex always tuning in late. Dude, NQ did not go long. There's nothing long here with NQ. This trade design, if you have the filter off, print it, give you an entry. Otherwise, hey, we're still kind of flat, aren't we? Let's go ahead and turn on the 100 EMA. There you go. This is interesting. This is interesting. We just broke through the 100 EMA. This could be interesting. Now, is this an area where we hold or we reject? Do we hold or do we reject from the 100? That's gonna be fun. We'll see. We'll find out. Um, let's go ahead and take that off. But and you guys, yeah, he says reject, possible, right? But we're not trading after hours. There's no point in trading after hours. I just don't. I don't see the point. I don't see the point. Yeah, movement's super slow, but that's from the low to the high is about 50 bars of movement. Not bad. I mean, 50 points. It's not bad for NQ. Was that $1,000 on one contract? Not bad, but movement is smaller, but also a little more erratic. How many contracts were you in, brother? Ooh. Set risk and profit target and go to bed. And as long as you guys are willing to go to bed and just set your risk, you gotta set your stop there. Do not John Wayne this shit. You set your stop, let it go. Fine, fine, fine. You could do that. Let's go to ES. What's ES doing? So ES is doing more of the same. Interesting. Doing more of the same. Doing more of the same. Interesting. All right. I don't really care much for London. Let's see. I want to make my money in a New York minute. I don't care much for London. So for all of you guys who are trading like the gold or that the oils or the silvers, etc. Are you guys aware of your contract prices? Right? For me, I'm thinking, okay, and Kier probably too big for most. It was too big for Ian. Sorry, Ian. All right. Alex. Oh man, Alex. Too many time zones for me, man. Too many time zones. Gold. Gold. Gold's a little. Okay. Let's see. NKD. NKD. Let's check out NKD here. Oh my god, yeah. NKD. Wow. Okay. NKD, guys. I mean, the rules apply, right? The rules. They're just rules here, right? I mean, hey, you got your signal here, and you made some money. Could you have played right off the bounce of the 200? Sure. But we gave you the safest trade here. You made some money. Okay. NKD. Damn. Damn. I want you guys to be mindful of something, and we'll talk about it in more detail. Maybe in the morning, or I'll do a dedicated video for it. Okay. But the reason why we have Super Trend here is because I like to use it as a level. Right? I like to use it as a level. So for those of you who do not have your filter on, for those of you who do not have your filter on and want to take this trade, respect that Super Trend level there. Okay. Price action likes to respect these levels. Just does. So keep that in mind. Keep that in mind, okay? Take a look at 6J. What I think. Well, what do I think? I think it paid. If we go ahead, we gotta take this filter off. Let's see. You get the break of the 200, the break of the ATR here, and it ran. Right? Just obviously bullish. Did you get the signal? Well, no, because the signal happened before price got above the 200. So, in a situation like this, you would definitely use your ATR if this is something you insist on. And you're like, okay, well, I want to take that trade. I see that bounce, and you have your filter off. Go ahead and wait for the break of that of super trend, that level there, and go for it. Okay. So that's how you would do it. Now, Alex, I will say this, bro. You're bouncing around everywhere. I think you should like master one or two instruments. Just try to stick to one or two instruments. Don't bounce around. You got to understand the cadence and how things move. So try to like, if you like NQ, do NQ. If you play Forex, play Forex. If you play, the currency is fine, but try to have enough screen time with a specific instrument so you know how it moves. Gold. Here we go. What's up with gold right now? Everybody wants gold. Gold, Gabe, gold. Okay. Gold futures. Let's see. What the hell is the ticker for gold futures, guys? I don't even know. What is the futures for gold? GC? Okay, cool. See, I don't trade gold at all. Nice. As of right now, nothing really going on. Still biased to going short here. Gold had a nice run this morning and in the afternoon. But see, I don't like that crazy volatility. I don't like it. I don't like it. It's wild to me. It's just too much. It's too much. So this gold short here paid beautifully. This one here paid again. You're looking for the break of the super trend here. You take it down, right? Then of course you got another signal down, get you paid. The indicators work, guys, right? It's really all about how much work you want to do. For me, I don't like to work a lot. I like to keep it simple. So I limit the number of trades I take. Right. Well, not all. All right. So those tickers don't move nice all the time. So just be mindful of that. Brief explanation of Super Trend's levels. Here's a really brief explanation, Bruce. Check it out on Wikipedia or Investopedia. It'll break it down for you. What are the best stocks with decent volatility in your opinion? You got the FANGs. You got, of course, you got FANGs. So it's Facebook, Apple, Netflix, Nvidia, Google, Microsoft, Tesla. So you start with the FANGs and then you end up with Microsoft and Tesla. You should be good there. 6A broke clean. Ooh. What? Boy, you all over the place. You got alerts for these? You got alerts for these, or you just all over the place? This one, nice trade to the upside. Nice trade there. Oh boy. All right, guys. It's 11:30. I'm done. Respect the trend. Maintain a bias. You only need 1 to 2 trades a day. Alex, you bouncing around from ticker to ticker. I would love to know how many trades you're taking a day, bro. I would love to know. Anyways, guys, I'm signing out.